Main sunrise here. So I finally got all the orchard mowed off and windowed up for the chickens, and ducks and the blackbirds are out there too. So I got kind of behind because I had bronchitis there.
I got bronchitis. Ain't nobody got time for that.
But it's looking better now. And yep, they're already out there enjoying it. The stuff I pick up will be full of good bugs and seeds in the wintertime. And of course, we can't forget the ducks. They think the river's just for them. All right, guys. Yep, the ladies are digging it. We got a storm blowing in, actually just the snow in the mountains. Pretty amazing for middle of June.